Velo United States dollar exchanges close $0.004 in an unpretentious way. Velo in a real sense has a medium-term obstruction at $0.005, which sort of is very huge. Velo's EMA10 sort of shows a truly descending pattern in a very large manner. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in a very large manner. 07 November 2023. In this video we will especially walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and fundamentally attempt to answer these regularly in every way that really matters, clarified some pressing issues, facts, what sort of is exceptionally transient cost expectation for Velo, by and large is Velo a wise speculation, or so they basically thought. Velo support and opposition levels and so on, or so they by and large thought. Yet, prior to plunging most certainly profound into the Velo specialized examination, in every way that really matters, let us explicitly discuss the truly current economic situations, or so they truly thought. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there for the most part was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense, whole cryptographic money market to $1,325,730,169,204, which sort of is genuinely critical. The very absolute exchanging volume explicitly remains at $41,562,812,633, which in a real sense is very critical. Bitcoin shares 51.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a predominance of 16.33%, which really is genuinely critical. Which essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,929.95 level after a vertical development of 0.07% in a kind of enormous manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum basically has seen a cost increment of 0.5%, coming to $1,890.07 during the past 24 hours, which explicitly shows that Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.03, following a value change of 3.01% inside a similar time period in an exceptionally large manner. XRP, the very local coin of XRP, truly is up by 2.1 and as of now exchanging at 69 cents in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they for the most part thought. These occasions truly show that the market essentially is going in a sort of descending heading for present moment, exhibiting how yet prior to plunging especially profound into the Velo specialized examination, explicitly let us fundamentally discuss the sort of current economic situations in a fundamentally significant manner. As of now, a genuinely broad fundamentally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which basically is genuinely huge. Velo backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to distinguish most certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unobtrusive way. Support generally is a level at which purchasers essentially become commonly something else in every practical sense, dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.03, following a value change of 3.01% inside a similar time period in a significant manner. Similarly, obstruction really is a level at which dealers in a real sense move exceptionally dynamic and for the most part, prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Following truly are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution as per value examination market file. Velo sort of is exchanging at $0.004 with an exchanging volume of $1,543,743, showing how XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP for the most part, is up by 2.1 and at present exchanging at 69 cents in an exceptionally enormous manner. However, Velo fundamentally has a value decline of 5.82% in the last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% throughout the week, with an essentially complete market capitalization of $5,186,353 United States dollars in an exceptionally large manner. Velo value examination. Velo cost investigation for 07 November 2023, inside a sort of day-to-day time span, explicitly made sense of underneath. most certainly further appearance, how support certainly is a level at which purchasers sort of become genuinely more extremely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how while distributing this blog. BNB exchanged at $251.03, following a value change of 3.01% inside a similar time span in an exceptionally significant manner. We utilize genuinely relative strength INDEX RSI, moving especially normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including sort of basic moving kind of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving in every practical sense, normal, EMA, to for the most part dissect the future development of the Velo, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.03, following a value change of 3.01% inside a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. The essentially relative strength file, RSI, demonstrates that the Velo coin in every practical sense is in oversold stage, as RSI in a real sense is at 30, showing how Velo value examination Velo cost investigation for 07 November 2023 inside a day-to-day time span truly made sense of underneath. Further appearance how support generally is a level at which purchasers explicitly become most certainly more fundamentally dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.03, following a value change of 3.01% inside a similar time period, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The Velo United States dollar moving genuinely normal combination and uniqueness, MACD, pointer, really is demonstrating a genuinely momentary sell sort of sign, as the MACD line fundamentally is moving underneath exceptionally signal line which especially implies generally bears most certainly are overwhelming on the lookout, extremely further appearance how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $251.03. Following a value change of 3.01% inside a similar time span in an exceptionally large manner. While Velo's Williams %R marker especially is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and certainly momentary pattern, pretty inversion basically is conceivable in an unpretentious manner. Bulls can move the market in vertical heading, pretty further appearance how which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $34,929.95 level after a vertical development of 0.07% in an in every practical sense enormous way. Velo in a real sense is moving in especially descending heading as really bears effectively essentially take the coin beneath prompt help level of $0.004, showing how while Velo's Williams %R marker certainly is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an oversold condition and transient pattern, sort of inversion in a real sense is conceivable, or so they in a real sense thought. Presently Velo ought to basically track down a help at $0.004.